Hello everyone, I am Aisha Khan, a student of MAP semester 2nd. Today I am going to perform 10-20 system of electrode placement in EEG, and for this task I am using this helmet instead of a skull or a head. So firstly I will tell where is Naisian and Inian. So this point I have marked Naisian and this point I have marked Inian. And now we will measure the distance between Naisian and Inian. So the distance between Naisian and Inian is 14 centimeter. Distance between Naisian and Inian is 14 centimeter, and its midpoint or the 50% of Naisian and Inian is 7. So we will place CZ at the mid of the skull or a head. Now we will take 10% from the Naisian, and place the electrode FPZ here, and from FPZ we will take 20% and place the electrode FZ here, and from CZ, and now again we will measure 20% from CZ and place the electrode. हम 20% CZ से लेंगे तो हम मार्क करेंगे इलेक्ट्रोड PZ, and again I will take 20% from PZ and place the electrode OZ over here at the edge of the Inian. OZ will come, and now we will take the right side of this skull, right side of this helmet to place the electrodes. So again we will firstly I will tell you that right side में हम लोग even number लेंगे और left side में हम लोग odd number लेंगे. तो पहले even number लेने के लिए right side use करेंगे. तो again we will measure 10% from FPZ and place the electrode FP2 here, and from FP2 we will take 20% and place electrode FP8 here, and again 20% we will place T4 at the edge of the ear, and from 20% from T4 we will mark T6 here. After T4 we will mark T6, and from T6 we will take 10% and mark O2 here. Now we will measure now we will measure right side of the skull or this helmet. तो जब हम FPZ से 10% लेंगे और पॉइंट मार्क करेंगे FP1 here, and from FP1 again we will take 20% and mark F7 here, and F7 से भी 20% लेंगे और T3 प्लेस करेंगे, और T3 प्लेस करके भी फिर उसके बाद 20% लेके T5 प्लेस करेंगे, एंड अगेन T5 से 10% लेके O1 प्लेस करेंगे. Now we will measure the preauricular distance. So preauricular point is, this is left preauricular and this is right preauricular. So the distance between left and right preauricular is 14 centimeter. So left preauricular we will mark with A1 A1 here, and the right preauricular we will mark with A2 here. Now there is some more points or electrode I have to place. So between FZ and F7 we will place F3, and between CZ and T3 we will place C3 electrode, and between PZ and T5 we will place P3 electrode, and here between FZ and between FZ and F8 we will place F4 electrode, and between CZ and T4 we will place C4 electrode, and between PZ and T6 we will place P4 electrode. So this is my 10-20 system of electrode placement. Measurement I have done before. So there is a measurement तो मैंने नहीं किया क्योंकि मैंने पहले ही measurement कर लिया था. So this is my 10-20 system of electrode placement. Thank you.